Affiliate marketing businesses vs sole ownership.
Today, many of us want to back in our jobs and go to work for ourselves. However, the difference between those who want it and those that actually do it is staggering. Those that do make the attempt have two options open to them: create their own sole proprietorship or create an affiliate marketing business. Both can be quite productive if they are successful. Business requires a great deal of work despite the avenue you take. The more you're put in, the more you are likely to get back. However, the sole proprietorship requires much more time and commitment and a much greater degree of risk. Creating your own business is extremely difficult. Unless you have a unique idea that is marketable, you are going to have competition with other businesses. You have to create strategies to attract customers away from the already well-known businesses in your area and over to yours. If you succeed, the rewards can be immense, but if you fail, you could lose everything. Affiliate marketing businesses provide several advantages in this area. First, you are marketing products that are already in existence. Fairly known brands are not so hard to sell, especially if they have a good reputation. Good and trusted products will attract customers much faster than something new and unknown. Affiliate marketing takes care of all of this for you. Being a sole proprietor is incredibly risky. If your business fails, like the vast majorities do, your source of income has ended. Depending on how much debt your business had and how you financed the venture, you could lose much more than income. Affiliate marketing takes the risk away. You paid according to how well you perform. You do not need to worry how the business is performing overall. You get your commission based on what you sell. Affiliate marketing businesses are usually well established, so you don't have to worry about them folding up at a moment's notice. Advertising is a huge part of any business. If you're a sole proprietor, advertising depends on you. You have to have enough in your budget to hire someone or devise a campaign yourself. The first costs money, and the latter requires a great deal of time. With affiliate marketing, the advertising is taken care of for you. You're usually given all you need in the form of leaflets, catalogs, and other product information. You also likely given good advice on how best to sell the products. Affiliate marketing programs should try to help you as much as possible. The better you do, the better they do. Finally, many times you need support and advice when you run a business. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll have to hire out professionals for this. This runs into extra costs for your business. With affiliate marketing, there should be a representative on hand that you can contact for support and advice. This service is usually free to all members. Business is tough no matter how you slice it. Either route you take will require hard work and dedication. However, if you want to work for yourself, why not join a program where most of the work is done for you? With affiliate marketing, the risk is taken away. This allows you time to concentrate on what needs to be done: making profits and creating your business.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.